Come take a walk with me through this Northeast DC English basement. Walking in, the first bedroom is on the left-hand side, lots of natural light. This room could be used as an office. There's built-in closets. In the hallway, there's additional closets, there's a pantry, and you'll see in the kitchen on the left, stainless steel appliances and a full-height backsplash. Lots of room in the living room for couch, TV, and open-plan living. Going towards the back of the property, there is a small yard, great place for planting. There's also a washer dryer inside the unit. In the bathroom, you'll see that there's plenty of storage with double medicine cabinets and storage underneath the vanity. Italian tile bathroom with shower over and even a bidet toilet. The main bedroom is in the back of the property. It's a super large space with lots of natural light, big enough for a queen or a king size bed, built-in closets. This unit is perfect.